Hey, J Malus here. So, ngayon ipapakita ko yung mga pinamili ko or binili ko via Shopee and Facebook Marketplace nung last June and August. Mainly PS1 and PS3. Alright, so first is dun tayo sa binili ko sa Shopee. Tatlo yun. First is yung Monster Farm 2 or Monster Rancher 2. This one is sealed pa siya and hindi ko pa siya binubuksan. Hindi ko lang sure kung anong klaseng sealed, ganyan, kung Y-sealed ba or ni-reseal, pero andyan pa rin yung OBI sticker or OBI spine, and I'm sure may manual sa loob, so CIB siya. Okay, so next natin is Dino Crisis 1 Japanese version. Okay, so this one has manual and the disc is black disc and wala masyadong gasgas. And pinalitan ko yung case niya para walang cracks and malinaw. So far so good. Dino Crisis 1. Next naman is yung this is weird kasi Crash Bandicoot 2 yung disc, although yung spine as yung is nakalagay baliktad, Crash Bandicoot 3. Okay, so hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko dito, pero okay naman yung disc. At least meron akong case ng Crash Bandicoot 3. Next naman sa Shopee din, from different shop. Okay, so first is yung Dragon Seeds. Dragon Seeds. So it came with the OBI spine and Dragon Seeds. So this one is CIB din, and maganda yung quality ng wala masyadong gasgas, or actually sobrang minimal kung meron. Dragon Seeds. Next naman is the game called 8 Thea. And Atlus. It came with a card, some manual, and Japanese language din kasi nagko-call tayo ng NTSCJ PS1 Japanese. So this one is JRPG. Okay, mura lang naman siya sa store, and yung packaging nung Dragon Seeds and ito is actually lahat naman sa Shopee is very secure yung packaging, so kudos to the sellers. I think yung pinagbilang ko ng ITIA is sa Outer Haven Retro, so marami silang binibenta na retro games. Next naman sa Facebook Marketplace, I bought 3 games from one seller. So unahin natin sa Tomb Raiders. This one, Tomb Raiders or Tomb Raider 1. Yung disc is very clean, ayun lang, masyadong gas, and there's the front cover and the manual. I believe Japanese language tong mga games na to. Okay, so we will be needing Google Translate. Next is Tomb Raider 2. PlayStation the best yung series, or hindi siya yung original label. Parang greatest hits to ng US ng NTSC. Okay, so meron siyang manual and front cover, And then the disc is good this one. Wala masyadong mistakes. It's in very good condition. Next, from the same seller is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. So meron siyang OBI spine. Alright, next is the Facebook Marketplace. Isa sa mga favorite na haul ko is these two PAL games. PAL, PS1 PAL. Although nagko-collect tayo ng overall nagko-collect ako ng PS1 games. So I just chose Japanese version kasi cheap siya. Pero kung magkakaroon tayo ng mga PAL and NTSC-U or US version, syempre i-grab ko yung opportunity na isasama ko siya sa PS1 collection ko. So first is yung Harvest Moon, Back to Nature. PAL siya, PL version, and walang manual. Ayan. Pero meron siyang mga writing. Yeah. So okay lang kahit walang manual. Good condition naman yung may sulat din yung manual. Number 1. Ay, yung front cover pala may sulat din. So good condition naman yung disc and yung case. Next is Crisis Beat, yung white label version. So syempre pag black label yan or full version, malaki tong tsura nung wala tong mga white na to. Mas maganda. Ito naman mali yung manual. Yung manual niya is Ace Combat. Okay. And this is the disc. Crisis Beat. Siguro itong mga white label is para namang greatest hits kapal. So that's all for the PlayStation 1 haul for last month. Not last month, last June and July and August. Pinagsama-sama ko na for PS1. Meron tayong next na binili for month of mid-August up to September. That video will be uploaded at the end of September. So wait for that.